Let's look at the side that says all the angles. It gives you some vocabulary review, especially as we come down. If you forget a word, go ahead and use that box up top. It says give the complement and the supplement to each angle. The complement means the two angles are complementary. Complementary adds to 90, so 55, you'd have to add 35 more to get to 90. Supplementary means add to 180, so I need another 125 to get 55 up to 180. I can do the same thing for the others. 68 plus 22 is 90, and plus 112 is 180. For 27, its complement is 63. Those add to 90. Its supplement is 158.3. Those add to 90. 82's complement is 8, and its supplement is 98. Single puzzles like this are simple. We're just looking at first vertical angles. So this tells us that y is also 155. Z and X also help 150 add up to 80 to equal supplementary angles. So that would be 25 for both of them. Once one is 25, the vertical angle is also 25. Looking at this trapezoid, there's a lot of angles we can figure out. In here we've got 130 degrees here. I'll go below and make that 130. That means this guy is 50, as is its vertical angle across. At this point, there's not much else I can tell, but I do know this information that AD is parallel to BE. So AD is this one, and BE is this one. If those guys are parallel, we have some alternate interior and other angles. I can draw this line, this transversal, this other parallel line, to create this Z, showing me alternate interior angles. This angle is 20, this angle is also 20. Once I know that, I can find the degrees in all three of these based on a triangle. Triangles add to 180. Here I have 150, so I'm missing 30. Here's another triangle. 50 plus 30 is 80, so I'm missing 100. Here's another triangle. 20 and 130 is 150, plus 30 more is 180. You could also have seen alternate interior angles to get these two 30s to be the same. It's just another way. Puzzles, you can solve angles in many, many ways. So the way you solve this may be different than the way that I did. Here's 70 plus 20 is a right angle, and 60 plus 30 is a right angle, which makes sense since these lines are parallel. That leaves C to also be 90 degrees. 50 plus 90 is 140, so I need 40 more degrees for this angle by A. Once we've solved the puzzle, we can answer the questions. Name an angle that is complementary to ACF. A down to C up to F is this angle right in here. This is 60 degrees, so an angle that is complementary to 60 is 30. So we can choose either of the two 30-degree angles. There's one by D, and there's one down here. These are both complementary to 60 degrees. We could name this angle up here angle ADF. We can name this angle down here FCE. In a puzzle like this, there may also be other ways to name these angles, but the D and the C must be in the middle. What is the measure of DCE? So we start at D up here, go down to C and over to E, that would be 30 degrees. AEC, A to E to C would be 20 degrees. CFE, C to F to E is 130 degrees. And AFC, A, F down to C is this one in here, that's 50 degrees.